Hello, guys. Flirty behaviors women can't hide when they're truly into you. These aren't just guesses, they're backed by psychology and real world interactions. If you notice these signs, trust me, she's flirting, whether she realizes it or not. She holds eye contact just a second too long, like she's looking straight into you, not just at you. That tiny pause before she looks away, that's not an accident. That's her heart winning over her mind. And when she laughs at your jokes, even the ones that barely qualify as funny, it's not just about humor, it's about you. If she's giggling like you're the next big stand up comedian, take the hint. And then there's touch, a playful shove, brushing something off your shirt, an unnecessary high five. It's her way of closing the distance without making it obvious. Pay attention, because when a woman likes you, she won't just stay in her space. She'll find ways to invade yours, just a little. Ever noticed how she mirrors you? You lean in, she leans in. You cross your arms, so does she. That's subconscious attraction, and it's her body language doing the flirting for her. And if she playfully teases you but never crosses the line, that's her way of creating tension. She's waiting to see if you'll play along. She texts back fast, or she overthinks it. Either way, she cares. And when the conversation goes beyond small talk, when she starts asking about your childhood, your dreams, your relationship with your mom, that's not just curiosity, that's investment. She's not just making conversation, she's trying to understand you. Little details you mentioned in passing, she remembers them. Your favorite movie, that random story about your childhood pet. She's tucking them away because you matter. And suddenly, she's interested in your hobbies, whether it's hiking, gaming, or something she's never tried before. She wants to bond over what you love. But the real giveaway? She shifts when other women are around. You're talking to someone else, and suddenly, she's in the conversation too. Her tone changes, her posture shifts, and she throws a few looks your way. She's not just there, she's making her presence known. If she compliments your style, even when you're just in a hoodie, she's not talking about the hoodie. She's talking about you. Women don't compliment men they're indifferent to. And if her friends seem to know who you are before you've even met them, congratulations, you've made it into the group chat. That's premium real estate in her life. Ever feel like you keep accidentally running into her? Different places, same timing? That's not a coincidence, my friend. That's strategy. Just like how she subtly adjusts her appearance when she knows she'll see you. Lip gloss check, hair fluff, slight wardrobe upgrade. It's not vanity. It's for you. And then there's that look, that soft smile, the lingering gaze. It's not just looking, it's an invitation. If she quickly looks away, don't be fooled. That look was meant to be seen. And if she finds ways to be alone with you in a crowded room, it's because she wants that one-on-one moment, even if it's just for a second. If you go quiet, she notices, that casual hey when you haven't texted in a while, she's not just bored, she's missing your presence. And when you compliment her, watch her reaction. That little glow, the way her energy shifts, that's because your words matter to her more than you realize. She starts to open up, revealing insecurities, little fears, or things she doesn't usually share. That's not just vulnerability, it's trust. She's letting you in because you mean something to her. And if she gives you her full, undivided attention in a world full of distractions, that's rare. No phone checking, no fake listening, just her, fully present, fully engaged. If you're seeing these signs, don't overthink it. She's not just being nice, she's flirting. Now, the only question is, what are you going to do about it? Thanks for watching. If the like video and subscribe my channel.